To make ice rolling interesting rather than just using water, I have created 3 recipes to make ice rolling fun with the benefits of skin-loving ingredients. You can use ice roller to depuff face, eyes, improve blood circulation, to add natural glow and minimize the appearance of pores. So let's see the recipes. Add 5 pieces of mango to a mixer jar. Add a glass of water. Grind it to a smooth paste. I have this ice roller which opens up into 2 parts. It is made up of silicone, so it is unbreakable and reusable. It also has this hole on top where you can pour the water in. I will leave the Amazon link in the description. I am pouring the mango juice into the ice roller. Freeze it for 4 hours. Next we will make butterfly blue pea tea. For this I have taken 10 to 12 dried butterfly blue pea flower. I will leave the Amazon link in the description box. Add a cup of hot water. Let them steep for about 5 to 10 minutes until the water turns a deep blue color. For a fun twist, add a few drops of lemon juice. This will change the color of the tea from blue to purple due to the change in pH. Strain the flowers. Now add the liquid to the ice roller. For the last recipe, take 1 tomato and cut it into 4 pieces. Put in a mixer jar. Add half a glass of water and grind it. Add the mixture to ice roller. I use these ice rollers especially after being under hot sun. It immediately cools down my skin and soothes the sun damaged skin. The cooling effect of the ice provides a relaxing and calming sensation, reducing stress and tension in facial muscles. It reduces skin inflammation, redness, and soothes irritated skin. Do try these recipes at home and let me know how it worked. I will leave the product links in the description box. Do share this video with your friends and family so that it will be useful for them too. Like this video and subscribe for more Beauty Made Easy awesomeness. Until then, I will see you next time. Take care. Bye. Subscribe to Beauty Made Easy for more such videos. Thanks for watching.